The paradox of blue eggs. The color of birds' eggs has traditionally been seen as a way to hide the eggs from predators. Nonetheless, almost half of all bird species lay eggs with blue or green tones, which doesn't seem to support the theory. Dr. Juan Moreno of Spain's National Museum of Natural Sciences maintains that through egg color, the females communicate vital information to their partners. It could be something similar to the eye-catching plumage that male birds display as a sign of their top physical condition. If that's what these colors do, however, why don't the females wear them in their own plumage? The females tend to spend a lot of time in their nests, incubating the eggs or keeping the chicks warm and protecting them. If they were brightly colored, the females would be easily spotted by predators. So how should they indicate their quality as a mate? One solution might be to lay colored eggs. For a signal to be believable, however, it must guarantee that it does really reflect the quality of the animal that emits it. If any random female could lay eggs with an equally intense color, then that color would be useless for the purposes of communication. A pigment known as biliverdin is responsible for the presence of green and blue colors in eggshells. Biliverdin is made from hemoglobin, which is found in the blood, and the pigment has high antioxidant powers. By depositing biliverdin in the eggshell, the female indicates that she has been able to do without a certain quantity of antioxidants. That's a luxury only genuinely healthy females can afford. But unlike the colored feathers that help males to find mates, females only display colors in their eggs when they already have a mate and they've begun to breed. What's the point of those colors at this late stage? What does this signal tell the male? Dr. Juan Moreno used nest boxes to study the behavior of male pied flycatchers in relation to the color of the eggs of their respective mates. He measured the intensity of the color of eggs using a spectrophotometer on the same day they were hatched. Then he proved that the males of the nests with the bluest eggs brought back a greater quantity of food. In addition, the chicks from these nests attained better physical condition. Could the blue color of the eggs really be what motivated the male to work harder? In order to verify this, Dr. Moreno conducted an experiment that involved introducing an artificially bright blue egg to some of the clutches. The effect was clear. The males worked harder, gathering a greater quantity of food throughout the reproductive period, and the chicks in these nests reached higher than average body weights. Signals by means of external structures is a fascinating area of research that warrants further investigation and promises very interesting results.